Datera delivers high-performance data orchestration and advanced automation to large enterprises and cloud service providers, reducing storage management and infrastructure costs by as much as 70%.
We're hosting a very large number of software-defined storage proof of concepts today for our customers and our future customers. A lot of them are looking at Kubernetes. We have others that are looking at OpenStack, OpenShift. But a lot of these projects are more than likely going to happen in the next 6 to 18 months. Today in production, about 95% of Datera customers are deploying VMware. We have very tight integration with VMware, and we've had it for many years. Over the next 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to walk you through some of the things you or even a VM admin can do with Datera storage from directly within the vSphere client. One of the reasons they selected Datera to begin with is our versatility and agility. You could be running on bare metal servers. We can be running within pods and Kubernetes and other orchestrators. We can also, as we're about to talk about, be running in VMs. Could be VMware, and in the future we'll be looking at other hypervisors as well. This makes us the storage Switzerland, if you will, allowing you not only to use us for different workloads, but also perhaps you have HPE servers, but you also have Generation 9, Generation 10. Maybe there's a Supermicro server that somehow fits exactly what you need at a certain period of time. You can add the Supermicro into our cluster. You might have Fujitsu, Cisco, or Dell. We do not care. So whether you're running an Oracle workload, if you're running something in the cloud, we offer a platform that allows you to deploy them all concurrently. So Datera also uses open protocols, iSCSI for the bulk of our deployments, ISER as well. We support NVMe drives. Again, it's the versatility of the platform. Now let's get into exactly how we integrate with vSphere and ESXi via our Datera VCP plugin. So once you've installed our free VCP plugin for ESX, it communicates seamlessly with the Datera cluster. Typically, this makes it easy for even folks like VM admins to do things like create a data store, delete that data store, and maybe the most important of these three, create a snapshot schedule. Very simple snapshot schedule to protect that valuable data. All of this can be done from within the ESXi host. So, as you can see here, the Datera plugin is plainly available to you within vSphere. If you select that, the first major thing you'll be presented with is the ability to create a data store. You've got a number of attributes that you can quickly modify. And again, this is so simple that VMware admins do this on their own. No need to call the storage group. You can set the number of replicas. You can map that data store to a previously set policy. Maybe you want all flash storage or better. Maybe you want to lock it into Optane. Maybe hybrid is just fine for this data store. All of that is very simply available, allowing you really to adjust the QoS of that. You can go back into the same panel and delete those data stores. And maybe the most important, as you can see here, is the ability to set your snapshot policy. So I want to leave you with 3 very simple things to remember about Datera storage. First of all, we have very tight integration with VMware. Our plugin is powerful and elegant. We work not only with VMware, but also in containers, bare metal. So our customers do not have to buy separate storage to run things like Oracle and SAP, as well as their container workloads. They get to run it all on a Datera cluster. And a lot of our customers tell us that it's very important for them to be able to reuse their prior generations of servers from HPE, Fujitsu, and others like Supermicro, Cisco, and Dell, and to use them all within the same cluster, thereby allowing them to reuse and repurpose generations of servers they may have previously purchased and help their ROI. Thank you guys. We appreciate your time. Please get in touch with us at Datera. We'd love to tell you a lot more.
Learn more about how Datera brings the software-defined revolution to enterprise storage at datera.io and contact Datera for a free consultation.